And this afternoon, Lancaster City officials from multiple departments announced their coordinated effort to clear snow this weekend. Fox 43's Sydney Nauman was at the press conference and has what you need to know ahead of the snow.
Please touch screen for ticket or scan credential. Thank you. Please enter.
In Lancaster, prepping for a winter storm means finding parking.
During this time, all of our parking garages will be free. I don't say that very often.
Larry Cohen with the Lancaster Parking Authority says residents should avoid parking their cars on the street, especially snow routes, starting Saturday, when Mayor Jaime Arroyo says the city will declare a snow emergency.
We will declare a snow emergency to go into effect at 12 p.m. Saturday to allow public works crews to safely and effectively clear snow emergency routes.
With an estimated foot of snow in the forecast this weekend, Lancaster officials say crews will need extensive resources and plenty of space to clear roads. Those still parked on the street after 1 p.m. Saturday afternoon will be towed, which comes at a cost of up to $500. Parking Authority officials estimate roughly 3,700 spaces will be available throughout the city's 7 garages.
We are giving this prolonged period of time to accommodate all the residents as best as possible and supporting getting the streets cleared.
But Cohen warns not everyone will be able to park in the garage closest to their home.
Some of our facilities are smaller and they will fill up very quickly. I would suggest anyone, if you come across one of the garages that is full, head to the Prince Street garage.
Metered parking will also not be enforced during the emergency. However, officials say that street parking is still not encouraged.
Please scan ticket. Thank you.
And some additional details to keep in mind. Those parking in city garages should not enter the garage until after the snow emergency is declared at noon on Saturday to avoid charges. Residents will have 2 hours after the snow emergency is lifted to remove their vehicles from city garages before charges go back into effect. Sydney Nauman, Fox 43 News.